Hi, welcome home. Welcome to the Resiners Poorhouse. Hope you're having a great day.
Whether it's day or night, inside or out, a little mystery never hurt anybody.
I have a little project that I don't know, of course, how it's going to turn out because I never do.
I need to practice.
Are you practicing?
I'm experienced because I practice.
I need practice, Mom.
But I have some resin here that's getting warm, so pardon the cramped station. But I have this Lighthouse sticker. I've never used stickers before, really, in resin. At least not something this big. Ooh, that's warm. That is warm. So I'm just gonna get it down in there, move it around, and get messy and sticky, because that's the way it goes. Cut that guy off. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Okay.
Stickiness? No!
Sticky.
Sticky floor.
Sticky mess.
Sticky situation? What do you mean, sticky situation? What exactly?
Sticky fingers, dear.
Bones still sticky.
My sticky shoes.
Laptop keys sticky.
Sticky wicket. What?
Sticky notes with instructions.
Sticky hands.
Sticky!
Next thing we're gonna do is, I know I didn't take the paper off the back, so I hope it is okay. But I have hot glued this light to a silicone spatula here, and if I put a weight on it, it seems to be like at the perfect height. Don't get resin on it, Jen. Slow down. So because I'm not putting the sticker in the flippers, and it's clear resin, I'm thinking I might pull out my markers and pull Lisa Crow, who, if you haven't seen her channel, Mrs. Lisa Crow, please go check it out. She uses markers all the time. Now this is, I should have mentioned, this is the Let's Resin turtle mold, and I'll have a link to it where you can get a discount. I believe if I have a discount code, I will put it on there. But you can get it on the Amazon store. Are you gonna work? I'm not entirely sure you're gonna work. Yeah, maybe. Okay, we'll go from there. Wow, that was fast. Okay, guys, I don't know if I have anything else to add to this, but that might be better. Alrighty, I will see you for the demolds. Hi, welcome back. So I was not in a very patient mood last night, and I actually made the cardinal sin when doing something with lights, and I overfilled it. And I stuck the light. I just got a little tiny bit. I don't know what I was thinking. I had the bottle on top of it and I just went for it. Okay, who cares? Not gonna see it anyway, so hopefully it'll be pretty. Let's see. Let's see how you turned out. Oh God. Okay. That guy doesn't want to come out. Or my hands are just... did I forget about the tail? Kind of. It's got an exit only something happening there. Oh. Wow. Oh, nice. Ouch. Actually turned out really pretty, regardless of being stupid. I mean, I was in a rush and I really didn't care. I was a little sloppy. I should care more. I cared, but not enough to make this like perfect. But I really wanted to kind of just test this light theory. So I might keep working on this. I doubt I'll ever get it to work, but would have been kind of cool to see the light through the lighthouse. But we're not going to call it a fail because he's still super, super pretty. And I like the clear. I don't think I need to add any color to him at all. And it's the first time I poured this mold, so I really don't mind it not being perfect, because just like to see, you know, how the eyes come out, so that, oh shoot, I'm off camera. Sorry guys. Okay, well, here's our lighthouse turtle. I love him. I actually really love him. It's a beacon of light. Well, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Hope you enjoyed this video. And remember to stay sticky. And you always have a home here.